National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 25, effective until 10 p.m. for 11 and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, large hail and damaging wind in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, Northern Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. And Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. And the following...
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch. A
tornado watch has been issued for your location.
Tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent.
A tornado watch has been issued for your location.
Weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan until 11 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Waukegan Harbor to near O'Hare Airport to 6 nautical miles northeast of Joliet, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include New Buffalo, Michigan City, and St. Joseph. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now here is the forecast. Tonight, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Breezy and much cooler with lows in the upper... This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 26, effective until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday, or 5 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph, and Stark, and the following counties in Michigan: Marion and Cass, and the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, and Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 8:46 p.m. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 10:45 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shorewood Tower Hills Harbor, or 7 miles west of Buchanan, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations and tactics include Niles, Benton Harbor, St. Joseph, Delogic, Buchanan, Fair Plain, Benton Heights, Bridgman, Berrien Springs, Cassopolis, Water Lake, Coloma, Marcellus, Stevensville, Shorewood Tower Hill, Paw Lake, Shorewood Tower Hills Harbor, Lake Michigan Beach, Waukegan, and Dayton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 8 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY60.
That's a tornado
The
warning.
National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for east central Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 11:15 p.m. At 10:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Benton Heights,
amazing.
moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Berrien County, including the following locations: Spinks Corners, Milburn, and Sodas. This includes Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 39 and 42. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following county: Berrien, Michigan.
Amazing.
This is a tornado watch. Tornado watch.